In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Pinterest to Canva. If you're creating graphics you want to share on Pinterest, the smoothest way to do it is right from within Canva. This keeps your workflow simple, helps you stay consistent with your branding, and saves you from downloading and re-uploading files. I'll walk you through exactly where to click and what to look for, so you can get from design to Pinterest without any confusion. First, open Canva by going to canva.com and logging in. Use the account where your designs and brand kit live, so everything is already at your fingertips. A desktop browser is ideal for this because the share controls are easiest to spot, but the general layout is similar across devices. Give the page a second to fully load. That ensures all publishing options appear correctly. Next, create or open the design you want to publish. If you already have a pin-ready graphic, open that project. If you're starting fresh, choose a Pinterest-friendly size so it displays well on the platform. Canva's templates labeled for Pinterest are optimized for that tall, scroll-stopping look. Before you move on, double-check that your visuals, text, and colors are consistent with your brand. A quick scan for typos and image clarity now saves you a redo later. When your design is ready, head to the top right and click Share. This is the same button you'd normally use to export or download your design. The Share panel is your hub for every way you can distribute your work: downloading, copying links, inviting collaborators, and publishing directly to social platforms. Inside the Share panel, look for Pinterest. Sometimes you'll see it right away alongside other social icons. If it's not immediately visible, select More to expand the full list of publishing destinations. The layout can vary based on your account and recent updates, so take a moment to scan the options. You're looking specifically for the Pinterest icon or a label that says Pinterest. Choose Pinterest. Selecting it tells Canva you want to route this specific design to Pinterest's publishing flow. If you see any on-screen guidance after choosing Pinterest, follow what appears. The prompts are there to make sure your design is prepared to go to the right place. If you prefer to double-check things first, you can always back out and return here when you're ready. That's all there is to it. Open Canva, open your design, click Share, and choose Pinterest. With those steps, you're set up to move your visuals from Canva straight toward your Pinterest presence, quickly and confidently.